calling on everybody in the north of Ireland. I have 2 VIP tickets to my workshop on the 3rd of November in the Merchant Hotel. If you haven't been to the Merchant Hotel, you are in for a treat. They are absolutely phenomenal at every single thing that they do. Now, for those of you in the north of Ireland who don't know who I am and don't know what I Am Positive Mindset is, let me just explain, okay? I am an empowerment specialist and I help people, just like you, become the best possible version of themselves. The day is going to be really high octane, whereby we look in to find out exactly who we are, to find out exactly why we tick the way that we do. And we are going to look at challenges that we might be having. The other thing is that everybody thinks that they only have these challenges themselves in their mind, and we're like, oh well, I'd never be talking about that because, you know, I'm the only crazy person who experiences that, and I'm here to tell you that you're not. So if you feel stuck in any area of your life, be it personally, professionally, you know, in your relationships with your kids, whatever, brothers, sisters, and mothers, fathers, it doesn't matter. Whatever challenge it is that you're having, the toolbox that I have invented that I will go through with you on the day will touch on whatever subject it is that you need it to wrap around, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, it's going to be deep. It's going to be revolutionary for you if this is your first time ever experiencing the I Am Positive Mindset umbrella. You're going to be invited into a tribe of people just like you, who have struggles just like you, and we're going to come up with some solutions together. If you're thinking about coming on your own, please do, because you're not going to be on your own for long. I get some questions before I do a workshop. I was thinking about coming on my own, is that okay? Or I'm too nervous to go on my own, I wouldn't have the confidence. One of my team will meet you and we will put you at a table with other people who are in a similar situation, or you can sit with my friends, one or the other, whatever you choose. But I suppose one of the most unusual things about my workshop is when you start or are continuing your personal development journey, you will never be on your own again when you've attended one of my workshops, because you'll be entered into a complimentary group called Unconditionally You Tribe, whereby you can continue on your journey with people who have the exact same tools as you do, who have attended one of my workshops in the past. And everybody in there, you know, is sharing stories and sharing wins, explaining challenges. They share inspirational posts and videos. It's just a gorgeous environment to be in. And in actual fact, we had a conversation there the other day and people were describing what their experience was. So later on this evening, actually, I might take some time to just read out some of the things that people were saying. So my question for you is this: if you're in the north of Ireland, I need you to tag some people in this post, share it, give it as much love as you can, and I will call out the winner of the 2 VIP tickets that I have, which will be front row to my event on the 3rd of November. Registration starts from 10:30 a.m. We're going to kick off at 11:30 sharp. We will stop for lunch at 1, which I will provide. That's included in your ticket price. And you will also get a goodie bag, which includes your workbook. So yeah, I think that's all it is that I have to say. If you have anybody belong to you, if you're in the south of Ireland, or even if you're watching overseas, if you have anybody belong to you who you believe would benefit from this workshop, tag them in them, but especially if you're up the north, because I need to get to know people up there. I don't know anybody up there, and it's really important for me that I do. So I see lots of love hearts coming through. So keep spreading the love, because the more love hearts and interactions that we have on videos like this, the more Facebook will share it with the world. So it's great to see so many of you online. And I look forward to seeing you all in my last workshop of 2019 on the 3rd of November, the Merchant Hotel in Belfast. Like, share, tag. Slán.